In this video, I'll be comparing Netlify versus GitHub Pages and going over which of these platforms may be best for you and your web development needs. I'll cover their core purposes, unique features, pricing, pros and cons, and ultimately which one I would pick depending on your needs. As always, you can find links to both tools below, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with the core purpose and overview of each platform. Netlify is designed for modern web development workflows. It offers continuous deployment and serverless functions. It is built for developers who want a seamless experience from code to deployment. On the other end, GitHub Pages is designed to host static websites directly from GitHub, and that involves having a GitHub repository. Now, it's perfect for developers and hobbyists who are ready for using GitHub version control and want a straightforward solution to host their projects. Now, let's dive into the key features and functionality. For deployment automation, Netlify allows you to connect your Git repository and automatically build and deploy your site from every commit. GitHub Pages also allows you to deploy from your GitHub repository, but it's more limited in terms of build customization. Now, regarding custom domains, Netlify offers easy setup with HTTPS, whilst GitHub Pages may also support automatic HTTPS but will require manual input. In terms of ease of use, Netlify is known for its user-friendly dashboard. It makes it easy for even beginners to deploy and manage their projects. GitHub Pages, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve if you're not familiar with Git and GitHub, but it integrates very well if you already have a repository and you're using GitHub for your repositories. Now let's talk about pricing. Netlify offers a free tier with generous features. Now this includes unlimited sites and serverless functions, but their paid plans start at a per user cost, and that includes more advanced features. Now, for example, you have a free version for $0 and then you can use forever. You can deploy from AI, Git or API, and you have 300 credit limit. You have a personal package that has a $9 a month, and then this is ready for real traffic, and it has smart secret detection, 7-day analytics, and it has 1,000 credits per month. Now you have the pro version also, which is $20 per member per month, and that's going to give you private organization repos and gives you shared environment variables, and you also have 3,000 credits per month. Now there's a custom package for companies or enterprises, and it allows you to scale with confidence. So you have enterprise network tier, you have log drains, you have organization management, and this comes with a 24/7 support. Now for GitHub Pages, that's usually free to use because it comes with your GitHub account, and if you require to deploy private repositories, you don't necessarily need to pay for GitHub Pages, but you need to upgrade your actual GitHub account to GitHub Pro or Team Plan. Now moving on to pros and cons. The pros for Netlify include a powerful deployment pipeline and serverless functions, but it can be an overkill for simple static sites. On the other hand, GitHub Pages is free and integrates seamlessly with GitHub, but it has limited customization for build. Now, in conclusion, I'd say you would choose Netlify if you need a robust development solution with serverless capabilities and you're working on a more complex web application. And I'd advise you choose GitHub Pages if you're looking for a simple, free solution to host a static site, and this will happen directly under your GitHub repository. And in cases, using both can be ideal because you can leverage GitHub's version control with Netlify's powerful deployment feature, just like you see me do here. If you'd like to get started with either Netlify or GitHub Pages, you can use the link in the description. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider liking the video or subscribing to the YouTube channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.